Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature along with other safety related videos and leadership training videos. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Now, this is the fourth in a series of 5 videos related to heat-related illnesses. The first video we talked in general terms about how to prevent heat-related injuries and illnesses. In the second video, we spoke about the most serious of heat-related illnesses, and that was heat exhaustion and heat stroke. The third video, we talked about prickly heat or heat rash and muscle cramps. In this video, we'll be talking about the importance of hydration and nutrition in preventing heat-related illnesses. So, let's go ahead and get started. For many workers in many industries, hot, humid, and hard-working conditions are a fact of life. Construction, utility, and agricultural workers regularly toil in hot, humid weather. Employees in manufacturing plants, metal processing facilities, and foundries also face severe heat from these indoor operations. Now, workers who must wear heavy protective apparel on the job feel the heat no matter what the weather. Now, industry estimates place the number of workers for whom heat stress is a potential safety and health hazard at 5 million to 10 million. For those workers and others, access to clean drinking water is a serious issue, one that affects their health and productivity. Without easy access to fluids, workers can become dehydrated, which is a prime cause of heat illness. In addition to the health benefits of proper hydration and nutrition, workers who hydrate correctly are more comfortable, cool, and alert, making for a more productive and healthier workforce. Let's talk about how the body handles heat. The human body maintains a fairly constant internal temperature even when exposed to varying environmental temperatures. Now, to get rid of excess heat, the body varies the rate and amount of blood circulation through the skin and the release of fluids onto the skin by the sweat glands. As environmental temperatures approach normal skin temperature, cooling of the body becomes more difficult as blood brought to the body's surface cannot lose its heat. At that point, sweat evaporation becomes the principal means to maintain a constant body temperature. Sweating does not cool the body. However, unless the moisture is removed from the skin by evaporation, which is difficult under conditions of high humidity or when wearing heavy protective clothing. Moreover, profuse and prolonged sweating can also disturb normal cardiovascular functions. Now, according to the American Conference of Governmental Industrial Hygienists, that's the ACGIH, excessive exposure to hot work environment can bring about a variety of heat-induced disorders. In fact, after just 2 hours of moderate work, workers may begin to feel the initial stages of heat stress. After another hour, they may start to lose strength, energy, and focus. At its most severe point, heat stress can result in collapse or unconsciousness. The human body requires fluid to control temperature and maintain muscle function. In hot, hard-working conditions, workers can lose up to 1.5 liters of water each hour in the form of sweat. Plus, sweat-laden skin and clothing reduce heat dissipation normally performed by the body. Now, let's talk about how to hydrate. Replacing body fluids lost during sweating, therefore, is the single most important way to control heat stress and keep workers comfortable, productive, alert, and safe. In fact, physiological studies have shown that fluid ingestion reduces the rise in body temperature by promoting higher skin blood flow. The greatest rates of skin blood flow occurred in these studies when the largest volumes of fluid were ingested during physical activity. The National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health, also known as NIOSH, recommends fluid replacement not only as treatment for heat exhaustion, but as a preventative measure, i.e., water intake equals the amount of sweat produced. Now, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, known as OSHA, identifies fluid replacement, that's drinking of water, as one of its top 10 tips for staying cool in a hot workplace. The ACGIH also calls for similar water intake for workers in hot conditions. Hydration experts from NIOSH, ACGIH, and OSHA recommend drinking every 15 to 20 minutes, and not just during rest breaks, to stay sufficiently hydrated and maintain a safe core body temperature. This puts less strain on the cardiovascular system and can lead to fewer heat-related illnesses and injuries. Now, there are some other tips for keeping workers hydrated and healthy. Drink before, during, and after physical labor to replace body fluid lost in sweating. Anticipate conditions that will increase the need for water, including high temperature, high humidity, the use of protective clothing, and difficulty of work. Keep in mind that by the time you are thirsty, you are already about 2% dehydrated. Once you're dehydrated, it's difficult to make up for that lost hydration. Drink 5 to 7 ounces of fluids every 15 to 20 minutes to ensure proper hydration. Keep individual containers of cool, clean water within easy reach at all times. NIOSH recommends prohibiting communal drinking containers in the workplace setting, and ACGIH recommends placing water close enough to workers so that they can reach it without abandoning the work area. Remember to drink cool water, which is absorbed more quickly by the body than warm or very cold fluids. NIOSH and the ACGIH recommended drinking water of 50 to 59 degrees. Try carbohydrate or electrolyte drinks to help avoid heat cramps that can occur up to several hours after working. Now be careful here. Too many carbohydrates or electrolytes can accumulate in the body and produce kidney misfunctions or malfunctions. So make sure we keep plenty of water along with some electrolyte and carbohydrate drinks. Avoid coffee, tea, or soda, which act as diuretics, further depleting the body of fluid. And never drink alcohol while working. Now, even sedimentary workers should drink 8 8-ounce servings of water every day. When workers are properly hydrated, they are healthier, safer, and more productive no matter what the weather or working conditions. All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature along with other safety-related videos and leadership training videos. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day. And remember, I will see you in the field. Dang, I think I sucked in that darn fly that's going around in here. Anyway, let's try this again.